Okay, so we are attending my friend's daughter's baptism, and I'm going to show you the different kinds of goodness, yumminess that we're having today. Okay, so meron tayong ano ito? Salad. Now nakalimutan yung tawag dito. Okay. And then merong ubi halaya. I don't usually see this anywhere. I think this is the first time that I've attended a party where there's this halaya. I'm just so excited. Okay, and then there's maha blanca. Okay. And then there's cassava cake. And there's special puto ni Rose na Bear Brand ang nilagay niya. I have to record this, Rose, dahil grabe ang sarap ng mga ginawa mo. And there's Rose right there. She's the mother of the Megan who just got baptized, and she was the one who cooked all of this yummy food. So dito daw yung mga pangputi daw, mga American daw table ito, and then outside is our Filipino food for everyone.
Being nice.
Ha?
It's not being nice.
Uy, binili ko yan sa fiestahan. Yan nakita. Mura lang yan, sa may palengke lang yan. Like 300, ganun.
Mura na.
Yes, yeah.
Para $5
Okay, so ito yung Filipino food daw namin. Ito yung spaghetti ni Ate Jen. Pansit. Ano to? Caldereta, pitada. Oh. Diba?
Very nice.
Oh. Seafood, and there's some munggo. I know, right? So good.
We have the same idea.
I know. I'm just so happy. There's so much food. Ayan. Kainan na naman po. My gosh. Puro na lang kain. Paano tayo papayat nito? Kain ng kain.
I brought you food.